This is Claw Breeze C3 laptop cooling pad. First, let's start with unboxing. Here's the box. It has branding and preview of the product, and on the back there is more information. Let's unbox. We have the user manual, Type A to Type A cable, and the cooling pad itself. Let's take the cooling pad out of the cover, and this is how it looks on the front, and this is how it looks on the back. Now let's have physical overview. From the front we can see the claw logo on the corner, and there are 3 fans inside. There's an X-shaped design as well. On top there are 2 USB ports, on and off switch, and an LED indicator. On the back you can see the fans more clearly, and there is a sticker with some information. This also comes with a stand, and this is how it looks like. Now these are the specs. This weighs approximately 630 grams, but it feels lighter than that. Now let's look at the functions. Let me turn it on, and this works nicely. All 3 fans are working, and you can see the blue LED light along with the fans. This is how the LED on top looks like when we turn this on. You can just plug it into laptop to turn it on, or you can even plug it into your mobile charger. Now for the review, this is a neat looking cooling pad. It is light in weight, but it is pretty sturdy to hold the laptop weight. It comes with Type A to Type A cable, so you can just plug it in the mobile charger or even your laptop to turn it on. And the 3 fans should keep everything cool. You can use it as a stand to elevate the height, giving you a higher screen level as well. Overall, it gets the job done with a durable build, anti-skid features, and being an easy to use cooling pad. With laptops up to 17 inches, this is a no-brainer. Previously, they sent us Claw Arctic cooling pad, and we are still using it. So for 1190 rupees, this Claw Breeze C3 is definitely a good buy. What's even better is if you go to Origin Shop website, you can get it for 970 rupees only. So what do you think about this? Let us know in the comments below. And that's pretty much it for this video. This is Unknown from GreedyTech. Meet you in the next one.